The founder, Shveta Raina. So, how does this Future CEOs work both in online and offline format?
So the way the program works is the first initial training, which is what we call the competency training, is the most critical component of the program. And that is something that is delivered in a hybrid format. So you have the opportunity to meet with a CEO, to attend panel discussions, to interact with corporate partners, to attend events. And during that period is where you actually learn all the 12 critical competencies, which are currently missing in the college education system. In case you are not in any of the cities where we have an offline presence, you can fly in for these sessions or drive up for the session. And we also have a virtual option for you. So the advantage is that wherever you're located in the world, and we have had students doing this program sitting in London, sitting in the US as well, you can get this benefit of the initial competency training. Followed by that, the hard skill training that we offer, that is something that is offered virtually, because we have experts from across the world delivering this. So, for example, if you're learning about product management, you might have someone who is a product manager at a Google sitting in California teaching you this. Or if you're learning about AI, you might have a leading AI startup founder teaching you this. And that person could be sitting in Germany. So the whole purpose of this skill training is that we don't necessarily need to teach you. Experts who have achieved certain level of expertise in that domain, they will teach you the skills that you need. This is then followed by the internship, which is usually done offline. So post-COVID, a lot of companies now prefer candidates coming in person to their offices. And while this is sometimes a challenge for students because they're now used to doing things virtually, the advantage is that when they go into an office, they actually learn about how things are done on the ground. And that itself is an experience. So that I would recommend doing an offline internship if you can get one. And then the lifelong mentorship, again, all of us are available to meet in person or virtually, whatever is comfortable. So it's a very interesting blend, and it's really as per the convenience of our customer, which is the student.